Hello students, so today we are going to start with a prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic means a cell which has a primitive nucleus. Hence we can see a cell with a primitive nucleus means what? It does not have a nuclear membrane. Hence the DNA is double-stranded circular DNA which has a naked DNA, hence it is called as nucleoid. So, we can see in the prokaryotic cell, histones and introns are absent. If we talk about the cell envelope, the cell has the outermost layer which is called as glycocalyx. If the glycocalyx layer is thick, then it is called as capsid, and if it is thin, it is called as slime layer. We can see inner to the glycocalyx, there is the other layer which is called as cell wall. The cell wall of prokaryotic cell is made up of a peptidoglycan, which is the polymer of NAG and NAM, hence it is the heteropolymer. Okay, next we can see the cell membrane which is inner to the cell wall layer. There is the cell membrane which has a specialized modification. Like these modifications we cannot see in eukaryotic cell. Which are those modifications? The modifications are mesosome. Mesosome functions same like that of mitochondria which is present in eukaryotic cell. So, it helps in DNA replication, even it helps in the respiratory enzymes, as it has the respiratory enzymes, so helps in the respiration. It has this cell wall formation property, and even it helps in cell division by means of binary fission. So, we are talking about the prokaryotic cell. It means a cell which does not have membrane bound cell organelles. So, is it so that this cell does not have cell organelles? It has cell organelles, but they do not have membrane bound cell organelle. So, which cell organelle do this cell have? They have a cell organelle called as ribosome, which is a membraneless cell organelle, and this ribosome is 70S type in case of prokaryotic cell. If we talk about the reserve food material which is present in prokaryotic cell, so it is present in the form of inclusion bodies which stores the reserve food material in prokaryotic cell. This prokaryotic cell membrane had the another modification, that is the presence of chromatophore. This chromatophore has certain photosynthetic pigment, hence it performs the role in photosynthesis. This prokaryotic cell, for the attachment and adhesion on the substratum, has the presence of fimbrionate which helps for the attachment to the substratum. Even it has the presence of pili which is helpful for the conjugation. It means the exchange of genetic material between the prokaryotic cell. As we know, prokaryotic cells do not perform the sexual reproduction. They just perform this sort of sexual reproduction, right? So hence, pili is helpful for the conjugation process through which the genetic material can be exchanged in between the two cells. The prokaryotic cell has the another extracircular chromosomal DNA which is called as plasmid. What is the property of plasmid? So, plasmid is antibiotic resistance. Hence, if a person suffers from the bacterial infection, most of the time doctor replaces the medicine, because if the bacteria has the plasmid, it may be showing the antibiotic resistance property. So, for locomotion, what is present in the prokaryotic cell? They have the presence of cilia which is helpful for the locomotion, and even flagella which is also helpful for the locomotion. The number of cilia is more as compared to the flagella, and they are smaller in size, whereas flagella is larger in size. Hence we can conclude the prokaryotic cell with all this information. Thank you.